Most traders don't fail because of bad strategies. They fail because of this. Number one, stats and reality check. Studies show that over 90% of retail traders lose money. But why? Is it lack of knowledge? Nope, it's psychology. Studies show that around 90% of retail traders lose money and only 10% ever become consistently profitable. Most people think it's all about strategy, but the real weight? It's in your emotions. For every one successful trader, there are 9 others who've burned their accounts. Not because they didn't know how to trade, but because they didn't know how to think while trading. You can have the best trading method in the world, but if your mindset isn't dialed in, it won't save you when the pressure hits. How are you worried? If trading were a school subject, most would fail the test. Not because they didn't study, but because they panicked during the exam. Number 2, common emotions. Fear makes you exit too early. Greed makes you overstay. FOMO gets you in too late. And overconfidence? That's a silent killer. Fear makes you exit too early. You panic at the first sign of trouble. Greed makes you overstay. You think the market will keep going forever. FOMO gets you in too late. You jump into the trade after it's already too far gone. Overconfidence? That's a silent killer, believing that you can't lose no matter what. Revenge leads to chasing losses, trying to get back what you lost, and ending up worse off. Number 3, a $1,000 loss. Let's say you lose $1,000 in one day. Your heart races, your logic crashes, and suddenly, you're chasing losses. You open your screen, and your account's bleeding. In seconds, you're down $1,000. Your logic's gone. You're not trading anymore. Your emotions are. So what do? You double down, you chase it. You try to get it all back, fast. The trader you were this morning, he's gone. Now it's just you, and your fear of losing more. Number 4, what happens in the brain? Your emotional brain, amygdala, takes over your logical brain. That's why you can't stick to your plan. Inside your brain, it's a tug of war. Emotion pulls one way, logic pulls the other. When fear hits, your brain goes into survival mode. Logic shuts down. The emotional brain hits the panic switch before logic can even respond. When emotions outweigh reason, discipline breaks. That's why bots work. They don't have an amygdala. You do. Number 5, the solution. Top traders train their emotions like athletes. They journal every trade. They follow strict rules. They detach. Top traders don't just trade. They track their thoughts. Every trade is a lesson, especially the emotional ones. Before a single click, the pros ask, did I follow the process? No checklist, no trade. Emotions come and go. But discipline, that's what keeps you grounded. It's not the market that beats you. It's forgetting your own rules. The mind is your most powerful tool or your biggest enemy. Train it like a pro. You don't need to be a genius to win. You just need emotional discipline. Master your mind and the money follows. Smash that like if you've ever felt fear in a trade. Comment your biggest trading lesson. Let's grow together.